Hanging curtain rod brackets, the perfect height.
Welcome, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling an essential home decor question. How do I determine the height to hang my curtain rod brackets? Understanding the correct height for your curtain rod brackets can truly transform a room, adding height, depth, and elegance. Let's dive in.
What do I need?
Before we begin, you'll need a few things: tape measure, pencil, level, curtains and curtain rod, brackets and hardware. Ensure that you have these tools and items at your disposal to make this task easier and more efficient.
What is the standard height for curtain rod brackets?
Generally, the standard height to hang your curtain rod brackets is about 6 to 12 inches above the window frame. However, there's a bit more to it than just that. The right height depends on a few factors. Ceiling height. Higher ceilings often call for higher bracket placement to balance out the space. Curtain length. If you have floor-length curtains, you'll need to consider their length to avoid them dragging on the floor.
How do I measure the correct height?
Now, let's get down to the actual measuring process. 1. Measure your window. Begin by measuring the height of your window from top to bottom. It's important to have this measurement as a baseline. 2. Decide on your aesthetic. Do you want your curtains just touching the floor, breaking slightly, or floating above? Each style has a different measurement. 3. Measure the curtain height. For floor-length curtains, measure from where you'd like the curtain to end, keeping in mind your preferred style from step 2, up to where you want the top of the curtain to be. Add an extra 1 to 2 inches to account for the hardware. 4. Mark the spot. Use a pencil to mark the spot where the bracket will go, which should be your window height plus the curtain height. Use your level to ensure it's straight.
What about the width?
While not directly related to height, it's worth mentioning the width. Generally, extend your curtain rod 3 to 6 inches beyond the window frame on each side. This allows your curtains to fully cover the window when drawn and makes the window appear wider when they're open. Hanging curtain rod brackets at the right height can significantly enhance the look and feel of your room. Remember, it's not just about the standard measurements, but also your personal aesthetic and the specific needs of your space. We hope this video has been helpful, and we're looking forward to seeing your beautifully hung curtains.